Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to claim Facebook business page, right? So first of all, just go ahead to the Meta Business Suite. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my settings right here at the below left corner, right? So as you can see right here, this is my settings and everything. Just go ahead right here into the pages. In the past, you used to see the add pages button, the blue button right here on your right. You used to see it in the page business asset right here, basically, right here. So basically it moved after the updates and all that. It moved to the pages. So go ahead and click add pages, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click right here the second option, claim, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just name the page or add the URL, which is much easier. And then to claim a page, someone with the full control of the page must approve your request, and once it's approved, the page is gonna move to the business portfolio. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Thank you for watching.